Hi y'all, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com, and I am here today to show you how to create the zipper top for the utility tote, which we have been working on since January. I am really excited to finish this bag and load it up, so I'm going to get started right away. You may remember I had selected this awesome olive zipper to coordinate with the fabric that I am using on my utility tote. This zipper is pretty long. I liked it because of the color of the zipper tape and the gold zipper teeth. So it measures approximately end to end 24 inches, which is a little long for this project. Probably a better size zipper would be 18 inches, but I really have my heart set on using this, so I'm going to make it work. If you will be shopping for your zipper, go ahead and buy an 18-inch separating zipper. The metal teeth are really nice for this design and kind of go with the whole utility theme that we have going on here. You'll need your zipper, and then you're going to need 2 pieces of fabric, which are 6 inches wide and then slightly longer than the length of your zipper. So my piece here is 25 inches long by 6 inches wide, and you're going to need 2 of those. Take that material and fold it in half, right sides facing, and press. And then using 3/8 of an inch seam allowance, you're going to sew up the short edges of this piece of material. And once you have those short edges stitched, go ahead and turn the fabric right side out, poke out those corners, and then you're going to take that top raw edge, turn it inward approximately 3/4 of an inch, and press well. And I have one of those here that I can show you what that looks like. I'm going to quickly press this one, and then I'll show you how to attach the zipper. Now I want to align those open edges there where we folded that inward along the zipper teeth, and just center that on the zipper tape there. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the front, and then that's what it looks like on the back. And now just go ahead and, using a narrow 1/4 inch seam allowance, stitch along the edge of the zipper teeth to attach that fabric to the zipper tape. You can use the zipper foot. I like to just adjust the needle position to the left and to the right to attach. Okay, and then once you have that zipper secure with that first row of stitching, just come back in and add a second row of stitching on both sides. Have 2 rows of stitching on either side of the zipper. It's nice and secure. Then I just want to test that zipper and make sure that nothing's catching and it functions well, and it does. And then I have the utility tote here, and this is almost finished. All I have to do is attach this zipper to the top of that. If you are just joining us, I will put a link down in the notes for all of the videos leading up to this point so that you can catch up. At this point, we are ready to attach the zipper and finish the bag. I'm so excited. You'll remember we already have fitted the interior and the handles, and everything is pinned in place. This zipper gusset here is just going to get centered along that interior edge. So I'm going to begin here at center and just use that same pin that is holding the interior and the exterior, unpin that and bring it through to hold the zipper, and then I'm going to work my way around, aligning the zipper tape, the exterior and the interior, and pinning that all in place. A couple important things to note. I only have this zipper gusset attached with pins on the front and rear panels. I did not pin it on the sides. Then the next step is to unzip the zipper so that you have a lot of freedom when you're moving this around the machine deck. And you're going to begin at the top of that front panel right at the seam, which for you all is easy to see because of the color change. Reinforce well with some back stitching, and then stitch all the way across just until you get to the opposite side seam. Then turn the bag over and repeat that process for the back of the bag, only attaching the zipper tape, the interior and the exterior, as well as the handles from end to end on that front and rear body panel. Okay, and now I have that zipper attached to the bag, and it is still open and separated. The last thing that I need to do is come in and put the sides of the bag up on the machine deck and stitch across those side panels, which it's very easy for you to see because of the color difference. So just seam to seam, gonna back stitch well to secure that. I just want to be mindful to keep that zipper tape out of the way. I'm just securing the interior and the exterior side on both sides. Yay, it's done. I'm so excited. I am absolutely, positively thrilled with how this turned out. I can hardly wait to fill it up and carry this beautiful bag that has so many useful features, hence the name, the Utility Tote. Now, in keeping with Sewspire tradition, I would like to give you a look through my design book, but before I do, in case you didn't check out Friday's Valentine's post on the blog, I did want to give you an opportunity to take in this really fabulous fabric that I got to work with this week. This newsprint, they call it, has a whole bunch of wonderful, creative, inspirational quotes all over it. And there was one that really just screamed at me when I was working with it, and I'm going to read it to you. It says, "And the day came when the risk it took to remain tight in a bud was more painful than the risk it took to blossom." And I do not know how to pronounce her name, so I'm not even going to attempt, but I'm sure you can see that there. I ordered this fabric from fabric.com. It's wide back fabric. It's really soft and wonderful. I just wanted to share that, a close-up of that with you. And now I'm going to move the camera down and give you a look through the design book and show you what I worked on this week. It was a small bullet journal cover, and this was designed to fit A5 journals. It also holds the Passion Planner Daily, perfect, and that had some great exterior fabric and then a little pop of pink on the inside. That was a lot of fun. And then I went ahead and cut out that quote that I just read you because I loved it so much and put it in here. And this was the exterior fabric that was paired with that newsprint. It was absolutely stunning. I had 2 camera strap covers that I crafted from this fabric here. Love the llama, and this combination here is really popular. And then this was the diagram for the large camera bag, which turned out absolutely gorgeous. I loved it, and it was just such a pleasure for me working with that fabric. And then I got to make one of my standard planner covers from this awesome beehive print. And I received a lovely handwritten note from Sally, who was the winner of the Create Tea. And I'm going to share that note and the meaning of the word create to Sally in the first video of March. Yay, spring is getting close. I'm so excited. Sally has put a really unique spin on the word create, so I'm very excited to share that with you. If you would like to enter yourself to win one of my custom Create teas, I will put the link below for you, and you can do that as well. Otherwise, I will see you next week for a brand new project, brand new recipe. Probably not going to be a bag, thinking we're going to work on a small accessory next. So until then, as always, please know the creative genius in me will be celebrating the creative genius in you. Have a beautiful week, everyone.